Hello. Do you enjoy cooking? No, I cannot stand cooking. I enjoy dining. I enjoy partaking of the cooking. I enjoy partaking of a good meal. Flight patterns. You still haven't answered my question about what you think about Hunter S. Thompson. I'm fairly certain that I have answered your question. What is it, 2 times? Maybe even 3 now? I'm kind of losing track. Yeah, I told you about the cigarette holder, or in my case, the cigar holder. But you know, there's something else. I got to think about this afterward. Those amber-tinted sharpshooters that you always see him wearing, presumably to enhance his psychedelic perception of the world. I happen to have a pair of those, and it's almost only when I'm in uniform, but I will wear these. Oh my goodness. And I can tell you, beyond any question, even with my eyesight, the way that this lends to one's vision, notwithstanding psychedelics, it's just, it illuminates almost incandescently. Yeah. Yeah, so that's another point that I have in common with that guy. Yeah, I definitely can appreciate a pair of sharpshooters like that. I tell you what. Yeah. Who was your favorite of the 3 Stooges? I unequivocally love all 6 of the 3 Stooges. All 6 of them. Do you like the Rocky Horror Picture Show? Yes, what little I've seen of it, and what little of the songs that I've heard, and on a somewhat more solemn note, there is one aspect of the Rocky Horror Picture Show which, especially in recent years, has consistently resonated with me on a very intensely personal level. One lone aspect of it keeps resurfacing in my mind again and again. Yeah. But the movie itself, unfortunately, from start to finish, I have yet actually to see the whole damn thing. Why? I think you know why. You go to the movie theater to watch it, and next thing you know, there's a bunch of kids screaming and hollering, running up and down the aisle, standing in front of the screen, blocking the picture. If they won't just sit down and shut the hell up, I might finally be able to see the damn thing. But as of yet, that has not happened. How do you deal with fundamentalists? Oh boy. Okay. You undoubtedly mean Christian fundamentalists, I have a feeling. But, whether you wish to agree with this or not, it's the truth. You could be talking about any kind of fundamentalist, any kind of overzealous extremist, you know, be it a fundamentalist Christian, fundamentalist Antifa, fundamentalist Islamic, fundamentalist Zionist, a fundamentalist Republican, you know, it goes on and on, fundamentally speaking. Okay. With that established, you know, in the past I talked about fortifying you. Today, I'm gonna fortify you. I'm gonna give you something. Don't make me regret my generosity with respect to enlightening you here. We're going to expand not only your vocabulary, but your weapons chest. All right. Fundamentalism, obviously that's the ideal of a fundamentalist. And a fundamentalist is someone who has the fundamental mindset, the monomaniacal, tunnel-blind narrow-mindedness that induces them to fixate on their one way of thinking. It's the center point, the core of their beliefs, right? Okay, you with me so far? Fundamentalism, fundamentalist, that which is fundamental, moving toward that center core, as it were. Hang on a second. I'm going to have you reading over my shoulder here. I'm going to bring on the dictionary. All right? Here we have the entry for the word fundamental, which is defined as of or forming a foundation or basis. Basic, essential. There is also a referential note indicating that we must see the preceding entry to this word. Preceding fundamental, we of course have the word fundament, which likewise means a base or foundation. It also can mean that, and it likewise, fundamentally speaking, means this. Now, without sinking to your gutter language, I believe you know what the colloquial equivalent of that word is. So there you have it. The dictionary definitive derivative of fundamentalism. So the next time you find yourself dealing with a fundamentalist, especially if it is some Reverend Phelps Westboro Baptist type, you can look them straight in the eyes and say to them, "Boy, you are one major league fundamentalist." And you'll know exactly what it is that you just called them.